Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Michael, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to import and export brush in Photoshop. So let's get started. So let me start by showing you how to import brush into Photoshop. So let me go to my desktop. There's this brush that I downloaded, this rays of light.abr. So that's the extension name for a brush file .abr. So whenever you see an ABR file, that's a brush preset extension. So I want to import this rays of light ABR into Photoshop. So I'm going to go to my Photoshop software. I'm going to click on my brush tool. I'm going to click on this drop down button. I'm going to click on this gear icon. I'm going to click on import brushes. Then I'm going to go to my desktop, click on this rays of light .abr file. I'm going to click on load. I'm going to scroll down to the end of the list of all my brushes in Photoshop. So I'll scroll down. So here is it, rays of light pack. So the reason why it named it rays of light too, because I have this brush preset already installed. So I'm going to click on any one of them. I'm going to create a new layer, give it a color of red or so, just for the sake of this tutorial. I'm going to press my right angle bracket to increase the brush size, right bracket to increase the brush size, left bracket to decrease the brush size. I'm going to click on it once, and then we have our ray of lights. So let me show you how to export a brush tool out of Photoshop. So the same process, I'm going to click on brush tool. I'm going to go turn on my brush. I say my moon brush. I'm looking for my moon brush pack. Okay, I've seen one. So I want to click on this 3040. So you can see that this 3040, this brush 3040 is highlighted. So that means I will select it. I'm going to go to the gear icon, click on export selected brushes. I'm going to export it to my desktop. So I want to name it Moon 3040. I will click on save. Now the brush I will successfully exported. And I want to go to my desktop, and here we can see it. So these are our Moon 3040 brush that we've exported from Photoshop. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you love what I'm doing on this channel, please subscribe, leave a like, drop a comment in the comment section, and have a great day.